COVID-19 reminded me the importance of staying fit and healthy. So, I chose cycling as my workout. In this video, I will reveal an unexplored spot to cyclists in Bangalore. Before I jump into my video, सबसे पहले intro. Good morning. It's morning 5 o'clock and I'm getting ready to go for cycling to an exciting place. कहाँ जा रहे हैं हम लोग मैं आपको जल्दी बताऊंगा. So I'm getting late. So sorry, please भूल गए. See you downstairs. Life is like riding a bicycle. In order to keep your balance, you must keep moving. Here we enter to the bamboo forest. It's almost 5-6 kilometers away from Budhigere Cross.
This is Patsati Das. This is Dasprati. So every day we try to explore new places.
Chalo, we'll go inside. All those 5-6 days hectic work schedule, these 2 days we enjoy. And we have been doing cycling throughout our cities, but now this time we explore this place. ये जगह पे आके seriously आपको बहुत मजा आने वाला है. Perfect off-roading. Look at this, guys. Amazing area to cycle.
मैं पहली बार इस जगह पे आया हूँ और दिस इज सुपर फैंटास्टिक प्लेस.
Doesn't look like you are in Bangalore. Trust me, this is the go-to place for all cyclists. Guys, you should not miss this place. Hope you like this video. Please do like and comment what the best thing you liked about the video. And if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel. There are a lot more videos I'm going to post it. Thank you, friends. Thank you.